Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get into today's video, I would like to say a big hello to all of my new subscribers. If this video finds you and you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button because that really helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GayOnABudget. There I post a lot of giveaways that you won't want to miss. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to repot a cactus. You all know that I already have a garden full of succulents and I actually only own one cactus. So I bought this cactus about 4 months ago. I went to my local nursery and I was obsessed with this 3-foot old man cactus. I loved the white hair that it had. It just looked like a tiny old man, and I found one online. It was the smallest cactus that you've probably ever seen. And right now it has grown a little bit. You can see he has all of his little white hair. So he's ready to be taken out of his nursery pot and put into a pot that he'll be in for quite some time. Before making this video, I was trying to figure out what pot do I actually want to put him in. If you've seen my Target haul, you will know that I bought a lot of pots. There I purchased these beautiful white pots that have a beautiful design on them, and I think that this would be the perfect pot for this small little cactus. The way that I'm going to repot this cactus may seem a little different. It may seem simple. I'm not sure who actually taught me how to do it, but it may have been my grandma. It may have been a local gardener around my community. I wish I could give them credit, but they taught me at a very young age, and I want to share that with y'all now. As a kid, I had more cacti than succulents, but then as an adult, I've grown to love succulents a little bit more. That is why I only have one cactus. So the items that I'm going to be using to repot this cactus are a pot to put it in, some soil. I use a little bit of tulle at the bottom of my pot to filter out the water so soil doesn't run out. You're going to need your cactus. And then also optional will be some white rock. All right, well, if you're with me this far, let's repot this cactus. So we have our beautiful white pot. The first thing that we are going to do is take the tulle that you cut a little square of and fold it and just place it in the bottom. We're going to just cover the drainage hole that it has. That way we can filter the water that leaves the pot and soil will not be resting in this tray. It'll just be water. So now we're going to take the cactus, set it where we think we want it, and see where we need the soil to be. We want this to sit flush with the top, and we are going to fill the soil up to about right here for now. So we're going to want to pack this in tight. Set your cactus back in. Try not to get poked. I need a little bit more soil. He's sitting a little too low. Pack this down. Let's reset the cactus. Perfect. Now, this is where the fun happens. We are going to add dirt around this cactus in its pot in hopes of removing the cactus and the pot, and there will be a mold of the cactus's pot within the soil that we add to this container. What we are going to try to do is have that hole made, and then we're just going to lift the cactus out of its little nursery pot, put it in that hole, and we'll be done. Hopefully that'll work. Let's see. Now that we have loose soil around this pot, I'm going to use this brush to pack down the soil a little bit better. That way we can ensure the hole that this nursery pot is making will stay open. You can also use your fingers. Just try not to get poked by the cactus. He's sitting a little high, so I'm going to dig the hole a little bit deeper. All right, that looks a little bit better. Let's add some more soil. Now I'm gonna use the brush to get closer to the cactus because I don't want to stab my fingers. All right, we need a little bit more soil. All right, so after making a huge mess, I am now ready to lift out this cactus and then remove it out of its nursery pot and place it into the hole that we made within this white pot. And just like that, now we have a perfectly repotted cactus. Now, all I'm going to do is clean up the pot that I put him in, and the last thing I'm going to do is add the decorative rock, and then I'm going to give this little guy a big drink of water. Gonna straighten him up a little bit. I can see that he's leaning a little to one side. Oh, almost poked myself. All right, after cleaning up my workstation a little bit, here is what the cactus looks like right now. Now I am going to add some of these decorative rocks to it and then give it a big drink of water. These rocks were actually purchased at my local Dollar Tree. If you are going to purchase stone like this from a Dollar Tree, from a Walmart, from a Home Depot or Lowe's, make sure that you wash the stone and dry them out. You don't want any unwanted items getting to your plants. My goal is to have none of the soil showing, so I'm going to use some of the larger rocks at the bottom and then some of the smaller rocks at the top. And this is what the final product should look like. A little cactus resting in a bed of white rocks. I think this complements the white container perfectly. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to repot a cactus. I think it turned out really cute, and if you have a different way that you repot cactus, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at GayOnABudget. I had so much fun repotting this cactus with y'all today. I look forward to having a lot more repotting videos in the future, so I'll see y'all in the next one.